What is up, mga River Peeps? Today is another Friday for us, and it's a rainy Friday. As you can see, the sky's dark. So spring has sprung already here in Canada. So we are going to Costco again today because I've seen a couple of Facebook posts that they have new items right now. So we are going to check if there are new items there that we could eat for Friday and see what we could also buy even if it's not our plan. And that is because that is what usually happens right now. So watch the video until the end and just enjoy the video of the things that we found at Costco. All right, so we only bought 2 items here, and well, of course, this one on top, it's not on sale, obviously, because it's a hot item. I rarely see cakes being on sale. It's only exclusive for, what do you call this, executive members. So we bought the carrot cake, and this is my favorite. I love carrot cake. And then the other one is it's the haddock down here. I'm just gonna put it inside the car. Yeah. So if you're really craving for a cake, you don't have any chance, or maybe a lesser chance for you to buy cakes that are on sale in Costco, because they're always like almost sold out, because the quality of their pastries or cakes in Costco are really good. Especially the carrot cake. You try it, you won't regret it. It's so thick. It has a lot of cream, and then it's not so commercialized, and it's so stuffed. Yeah, that's the word. The next is this battered haddock. This is on sale, so the price of this one, we got it for less than $4. So the cost of this one is $18.99. The carrot cake is $24.99. So well, the weight of this one is 1.26 kilograms, and then there are around 15 to 18 pieces. So instead of us buying fish and chips outside, we'd rather cook the fish and chips at home and then have it as our snacks, or maybe even for dinner. And so I'm gonna pair this with potato pops. Was that potato pops? Oh yeah, potato pops. Because last week we bought the French fries along with the potato pops, and so that's gonna be a new one for us. It's our first time to try that potato pops. Well, it's the same as, for sure, as French fries. The cut is just different. And so we are going home now after a long week of working. So we're gonna take a break for the weekend, and then also tomorrow we're gonna test drive a Tesla, the new, well, they call it Juniper, but according to Tesla, it's the new Tesla. It's not even Juniper. I don't know why they call it Juniper. Here it is. I am going to open it now. So there's just this spot here that you can open it. There's a strip here, and then you can strip it up. And then let's see what's inside. So instead of buying fish and chips outside, well, it's also good. We also buy fish and chips outside, especially at those mom and pop stores, the local ones. We buy from them because we want to support local businesses also. But sometimes there are times that you want to buy, you just want to cook at home and then make things make your food a little bit more affordable, right? So these are the strips, the haddock strips that you can have in one box. So it's really similar to those fish and chips that you could see at the restaurants, and then also at the what are these, at the some food chains, and then also from the local restaurants. So it's the same. And then what they do is, well, they deep fry it. But what we are going to do is, again, we are going to bake it. So majority of our food are baked. So we put them in the oven, then heat them up for how many minutes, and then eat them. So I'm gonna put them now in the glassware. So I just paused the recording to put this to get this glassware. And then, so I'm just gonna get a pair of scissors here to open the plastic. All right, so gonna open this one now. Oh God, that was dangerous. Here we go. Okay. So, and then I'm gonna get the oil again. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil, spray on the glassware, so that it won't stick. Not much, of course. You'll beat the purpose of cooking with less oil. And then this is how we are going to arrange them. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess this is enough. Do you want more? Oh yeah, let's put it more because Kay is hungry. And I'm hungry too. All right, so these are 6 pieces battered haddock. And then if you go out at those restaurants, 6 pieces and then fries or chips, it will cost you a lot. I think my estimate there is gonna be more or less almost $30 for the fish and chips. But right now we are just spending maybe less than $20. Of course, you'll take into consideration the cost of the electricity, the cost of the oil here, and then also the fries. So this is the potato pops. Well, it says here, oh yeah, potato tots. So this is the shape. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna open it so that you'll see. But this is not. We didn't buy this from Costco. Okay, we bought this from Walmart. I don't know if Costco has this one. And then we are not gonna air fry it. We also going to bake it. And here it is. That's the shape of the. Okay, get here. You see? So that's the chicken tots. Ay, bumagbagang.